Most people think building wealth is slow forever. It's not. There are exactly 3 moments where everything changes. And here's what's crazy. Most people quit right before they hit the third one. I'm going to show you exactly when those moments happen, how much money you need to reach them, and more importantly, what shifts in your mindset when you do. Because the real payoff isn't the dollar amount. It's what happens in your brain when you realize your money is actually working harder than you are. So the first moment hits around $10,000 to $15,000. And yeah, I know that sounds small, but this is where something fundamental shifts. At this point, you've proven to yourself that the system actually works. You've seen real growth. You've felt it. And here's what happens next. You stop treating this like an experiment. You suddenly increase how much money you're putting in by 25 to 40% because you finally believe it matters. The psychology flips. This is the proof point. This is where belief turns into action. Most people never get here. 87% quit before they reach this milestone because they don't see proof fast enough. Then the second moment hits around $75,000 to $100,000. And this is where it gets interesting. At this number, something mathematical happens. Your money is now making more in a year than you're putting in yourself. For the first time, your money is outworking you. You're not just saving anymore. You're watching your wealth build while you sleep. And the timeline accelerates hard. Getting from 0 to 75,000 takes way longer than getting from 75 to 150. The momentum shifts. Most people hit this milestone and think they're almost there. But then they hit the brutal middle. They're bored. The growth still feels slow compared to what they were promised. 60% of people who make it this far quit right here because the progress doesn't feel fast enough anymore. Then the third moment, 300,000 and up. This is where the explosion happens. At this level, your money is generating $24,000 to $30,000 a year automatically. That's like having a full-time job that you didn't have to work for. Real freedom starts appearing. You could work part-time, you could pivot careers, you could take risks, you could actually breathe. And here's the crazy part. Doubling from this point happens 2 to 3 times faster than getting to this point in the first place. The curve doesn't just go up anymore, it launches. Only 5 to 8% of people ever reach this milestone. Everyone else quit somewhere along the way. Why does 95% of people quit? Because nobody tells them this. Nobody explains that there are actual psychological breaking points where most people fail. 87% quit at the first moment because they need proof and they don't get it fast enough. 60% of the remaining people quit at the second moment because the boring middle is brutal. You're making progress, but it doesn't feel like progress. Your mind is comparing where you are to where you want to be, not where you came from. And then 40% of the people who make it that far quit at the third moment. They're so close. They could literally see the exponential explosion starting, but their patience runs out. They need the money now. They get scared. They bail. The people who actually make it through all 3 moments, they understand something most people don't. It's not about being smarter. It's not about having more money to start with. It's about understanding that the journey has actual phases. Phase 1 is about proving it works to yourself. Phase 2 is about staying patient through the boring middle. Phase 3 is about not panicking when you're right on the edge of exponential growth. Most people don't know these phases exist. They think it should feel the same the entire time. And when it doesn't, they think they're doing it wrong. But here's what's actually happening. At 10 to 15,000, you're building belief. You're proving to yourself that this works. At 75 to 100,000, you're building foundation. You're getting strong enough to handle what comes next. At 300,000 plus, you're building freedom. Real, actual freedom to make choices. These are 3 completely different psychological states. They feel different because they are different. Your brain is supposed to feel different at each one. The people who understand this don't quit. They know exactly where they are in the process. They know what the next milestone looks like. They know when they're supposed to feel bored and when they're supposed to feel excited. They know the struggle is part of the plan, not a sign they're doing it wrong. And they know that the real payoff isn't the money sitting in the account. It's the moment your money starts working harder than you do. It's that shift where you realize you don't have to chase it anymore. That moment changes everything. This is why most people stay broke. Not because they can't save money, not because they don't work hard, not because they're stupid or lazy, but because nobody ever explained to them that there are actual breaking points in the wealth building process. They don't know that 87% of people quit at the exact same place. They think they're the only ones struggling. They think they're broken somehow. They think something is wrong with them, and so they quit right before it gets good. The people who make it are the ones who understand that this process has exact milestones, exact psychological shifts, exact moments where your brain is screaming at you to stop and take the money, exact reasons why you might want to quit, and they push through anyway. They know it's coming, they expect it, and they do it anyway. So here's the real question. Which phase are you in right now? Are you still at the beginning, putting money away but not seeing enough movement yet to convince yourself this is actually going to work? Are you in that boring middle where progress doesn't feel like progress, where you're making money but it doesn't feel fast enough anymore? Or are you close enough to see the explosion starting, watching your returns finally exceed your contributions, and knowing something is about to shift? Because once you know which phase you're in, everything changes. You stop comparing yourself to where you want to be. You start celebrating where you actually are right now. You understand why you feel the way you do. Instead of thinking something's wrong with you, you realize everyone feels this exact way at this exact phase, and you know exactly what's coming next. You know the milestones. You know what to expect. And that knowledge alone is the difference between the people who quit and the people who actually make it. The wealthy understand these phases. They understand that wealth building isn't random. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's phases. It's psychological milestones. It's knowing that the middle is supposed to feel boring, so you don't panic and quit. And most importantly, it's knowing that the people who make it are just the ones who didn't stop. The 1% don't just teach their kids how to make money. They teach them how to stay in the game long enough to reach the explosion. They teach them the phases. They teach them that everyone feels like quitting at the same spots. And they teach them that if you just push through, you hit a completely different world. If you want to know the single money rule the wealthy actually teach their kids, the one that explains why wealth compounds differently across generations, check out the video that just appeared on your screen. It's the missing piece most people never understand about why the rich stay rich and most people stay stuck. It's the foundation everything else is built on. So click it, watch it, because once you see what they're actually teaching their kids about money, you're going to understand why some families build generational wealth and others never break out.